Hello friends! In my video of what is plant and its main parts, I touched upon photosynthesis and respiration process as well. But in this video, we are going to discuss what are the basic differences between both of these processes of plant. Let's talk about both the process. What are photosynthesis and respiration processes? Photosynthesis is a biological process utilized by all green plants possessing chlorophyll to synthesize their own nutrients, to prepare their own food. The process of photosynthesis requires solar energy, water, and carbon dioxide. The byproduct of this process is oxygen, and the final product is glucose, which is stored in the plant itself. Now coming to the respiration process. All green plants breathe through the process of cellular respiration. Respiration is a metabolic process that occurs in all organisms. It is the process of burning sugars to produce energy for living and growing. Plants respire, humans respire, and all other forms of life on earth respire. During respiration, plants convert the sugars produced by photosynthesis back to energy to fuel essential metabolic processes. They burn sugars in order to fuel cellular processes like repair and reproduction. Water and carbon dioxide are produced and released by plant as they respire, and sugars and oxygen are used. In this process, the energy called ATP is produced by the breakdown of glucose, which is further used by cells to perform various functions. ATP is a molecule used for storing and transferring energy in all living cells. Every living species, from a single-celled organism to a dominant one, performs respiration. So does plant. Do not get confused with the picture shown here that respiration only occurs during night. That is not the case. Respiration can take place in day and in night. It occurs throughout the life cycle, whereas photosynthesis is the one which occurs only in sunlight. Just to show that reference, I used sunlight for photosynthesis and night for respiration. Let's see the differences between photosynthesis and respiration process. The end products for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water, whereas for respiration they are oxygen and glucose. The out product are oxygen and glucose in photosynthesis process, whereas in respiration they are carbon dioxide, water and energy ATP. When does photosynthesis occur? As I mentioned earlier, it uses sunlight, so it can only occur in daytime, whereas respiration occurs both in day and night time. The catalyst for photosynthesis is chlorophyll, which is must to have because it stores sun's energy, whereas chlorophyll is not needed for respiration. Let's take a look at the energy conversion. Photosynthesis uses light energy from sun. Food is synthesized and energy is stored in the form of glucose, whereas in respiration, energy stored in chemical bonds are used. Food is oxidized and energy is released. What happens to the day weight of plant during photosynthesis? It increases due to synthesis of food material, whereas in respiration it decreases due to utilization of food material. So these were the key differences between photosynthesis and respiration process. I hope now you are very clear about the basic difference between photosynthesis and respiration process in plant. If you love this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. For now, thank you and take care.